Welcome to PA Timber Goose. Today is January 1st, 2024. I'm always trying to add new content to the channel, so we're going to try some cooking videos. We're going to do some simple meals that we've eaten over the years. Some of these meals are only in Lancaster County. These are local dishes, and I've never eaten them until I moved to this area. Creamy potato soup is always delicious, and it's a very filling meal. It always goes good with some warm bread on the side and some butter. Basically, it's going to be a 5-pound bag of potatoes, some fresh celery, a stick of margarine. You can put butter in there if you like butter, but margarine seems to taste much better. 1 onion and some hard-boiled eggs, usually about 6 to 8 hard-boiled eggs. Always a very delicious meal. Hopefully you enjoy this video. I always look forward to potato soup. It's very delicious. So come along with us today, and we'll see you at the end of the video. One steaming bowl of potato soup. Doesn't take very long to make. It took about an hour and 15 minutes. Basically, you're going to cut the potatoes up, wash the extra starch out of them, put them back in the pan, and add your milk and the celery and the eggs. The eggs only took about 10 or 15 minutes to hard boil. As always, give this video a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm. Hit that subscribe button, help my channel grow, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching PA Timber Ghost.